Hi, this is Alan Baines from Berthon, USA, and this is the USA Market Report. 23 turned out to be a little bit of a strange year for us, given that we all started thinking we were going to get a recession and that sales are going to drop off rapidly. As the year transitioned, the back half of the year ended up actually very, very good, and with a more normal supply and demand situation, with more yachts coming on the market, more price drops, and longer time periods between listing and selling. So in other words, we sort of went past the unreal times of 2020, 2021, and early 2022, and we went back to how the market was before COVID. In other words, the elastic snapped back, as it were. So what else did we observe in 2023? For new boats, high inflation has sent prices soaring, so there is definitely some sticker shock with those looking to buy new boats. The lead times has come down, so lead times are more like back to normal. But the people who bought boats in early COVID or just before have probably found that their new boat has appreciated in value. What we're now seeing is that recent model yachts are now being a sought after alternative to a new boat purchase. Last year, we delivered several new boats, including 3 new Solarises, a Rustler, and this year we have another Rustler and the first of the Moody 48 deck salons to be sold into the US, and that boat we're really looking forward to getting, and that will be here in the summer. We had some great events. We organized a Moody World Cup for our Moody customers here in the area. We had about 5 or 6 boats here sailing, which was a great event to watch and organize. And we had a nice cocktail party and prize giving in the evening at the local yacht club. And we did the Newport, Annapolis, and Dusseldorf boat shows. This year, we've already been to Dusseldorf, where we got these new boats coming in this spring, and we are looking forward to meeting you all as the weather gets warmer, chatting, and helping you with the 2 happiest days of your boating life, which is buying it and selling it. This is Alan Baines from Berthon USA, signing off.